In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a photo gallery in WordPress, an easy guide that will have your images beautifully displayed in no time. First, you'll want to log into your WordPress dashboard. This is your control center, and from here you can manage all aspects of your website. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand side and find the Plugins option. Click on that and then select Add New. We're going to search for a plugin called Wordpress Gallery. In the search bar in the top right, simply type in Wordpress Gallery and hit Enter. Once the results load, you'll see it listed among the other plugins. It's free and quite popular, so it should be easy to find. When you see it, click Install Now. Installation doesn't take long, and once it's finished, you'll see the option to activate. Go ahead and click Activate to get the plugin up and running on your site. Now that Wordpress Gallery is ready to go, you'll see a new option appear in your WordPress dashboard labeled Wordpress Gallery. Click on it, and you'll find yourself in the gallery's interface. Here, you'll have various options to manage and create galleries. For our tutorial, click on Add New to create your first gallery. The first thing you'll need to do is give your gallery a name. This can be anything you like, but keep it relevant to the gallery's content. Once you've titled your gallery, look down a bit to find the section that says Select Files from your computer. Click on that and start uploading the photos you want to include. Make sure all your images are exactly how you want them to be because these are what your audience will see. Once you've uploaded the photos, you'll see them neatly organized in the gallery interface. Before we go further, let's take a look at some customization options. Wordpress Gallery offers a variety of ways to personalize the look and feel of your gallery. You can adjust things like image sizes, so they all appear uniformly. Experiment with these settings until you have the look you want. Once your images are uploaded, and you've made any desired adjustments, it's time to publish your gallery. Click on the Publish button at the top right corner of the page. Your gallery is now live. The final step is to display the gallery on your site. With Wordpress, there's a super simple way to do this. Every gallery you create is assigned a short code. You'll find this short code on the gallery page. Highlight it, then copy it. Head over to the page or post where you want the gallery to appear. Paste this short code into the WordPress editor, wherever you want the gallery to display and save your changes. Visit your page to see your newly added gallery. And that's it. By following these easy steps, you've successfully created a photo gallery using WordPress and enhanced the visual appeal of your website effortlessly. Thanks for watching, and happy creating!